How to create unlimited Gmail accounts. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So before starting the video, this method will only work in Android phone. So first of all open up YouTube on a device. Then tap on profile at the bottom right corner. Now tap on settings at the top right corner. Then tap on switch account. Now tap on the plus icon. Now wait for some time and tap on create account. Now select personal use. Now enter the first and last name. Now select the date of birth. Now select the gender and tap on next. Now create an email address. Again tap on next. Now choose a password. Again wait for some time. Then tap on next. Now scroll down and tap on I agree. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.